Like a shot. Sangani Nevis, Ryan back also. Hello. Okay, I think the family is not yet complete.
Andiyan na si Bob.
Ayan na. Okay, while waiting up for some personalities to be here, baka gusto na bumati sa... Ay, there we go. Please, Bob. Okay, Joey Lasso, of course, with the K-pop 100 daughter. Sarina is here. Okay, baka gusto na bumati sa Madlang People.
What's up, Madlang People? Hello po sa lahat ng mga advertisers po na nandito lahat. Again po, maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta po sa Showtime. At promise po, mas lalo pa namin gagalingan. At meron po kaming bagong segment na dapat niyo pong abangan. Yan po. Next week po, ilalabas na po namin yan next week. Is Jong?
Yes, and of course, patuloy po ang pagpapasaya ng It's Showtime at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta nyo. Ayan, abangan nyo po yung phone number namin sa Saturday News Arena.
Wow!
Birthday, bro.
Belated happy birthday, Chris Jong.
Very good.
Sabi naman, grabe.